If this noise of silence confused you, imagine what if they really did not have voices? Would they be effective in the roles they play daily? Sadly, throat cancer patients suffer in silence, worse than what we can imagine. Laryngectomy saves lives, but not their voices. Imported voice prostheses are expensive. Search for an affordable alternative ends right here. Om Voice Prosthesis brings hope. At $1, it is affordable, easy to use, and indigenous in design. It's time to reach every part of our society and help them discover the rhythm of sound.
My voice is my birthright.